Would you like to improve your eye for light and composition instantly? Then try removing colour entirely. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire photography 1 60-second tip at a time. For 1 week, shoot only in black and white, either in camera or convert it later in post. Without colour, you focus on light, shadow, texture and shape. And this works because it's like hearing the instrumental version of a song without the lyrics. You suddenly notice the melody and the rhythm. And in a similar way, black and white reveals the structure of your images. And anyway, black and white or mono could sometimes be the best option. And once you master tonality and form, your photos will work even without colour, and with colour they'll really sing. This is just one of 5 creative projects. For more inspiration like this, check out the full video. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon.